Here I have CUBOT KingKong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode, and by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be like conversations, calls, messages. You can also add apps to exceptions, alarms and other interruptions. You can set up a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. In advanced, you can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can hide notifications. For example, you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.